Alrighty guys, it's Mr. Sensitivity again with another video. As promised, I am now going to be showing you guys the result or the end product of the matchbox that I have been working on. And yeah, if you guys didn't see this one though, this one was the Hot Wheels Police Chevy Silverado. Customized it, changed it with Wheel Rider tires, nice rims, painted details on it, put the light bar, put the guard there. Very nice, very cool. But now it's time to show you guys the matchbox. So here it goes. There it is. Made it look pimpin'. Almost seemed like it's one of those Jada toys, Jada cars. But yeah, I've been saving these rims for a while now. Finally found the perfect car to put this on. But yeah, now this police car, highway patrol, looks more beast than ever. Ready to chase the bad guys. So I painted the light there, painted the back, nothing much there on the side, but I did paint the headlights, the turn signal, and that emblem there, and that light there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did I do a good job, or did I mess it up? Another wheel swap, another custom by Mr. Sensitivity. Now signing out, saying take care and God bless. And as always, thanks again for watching.